Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and safety. Make sure the Nvidia GPU is present and the system is plugged into power. Next, download the correct Nvidia driver for your exact GPU model and OS version. This ensures compatibility. Once done, create a restore point or full backup so you can roll back if needed. Then close all applications and note any OEM utilities. They sometimes override settings. Now you're ready to remove conflicting software and prepare for driver installation. You must remove the Intel graphics stack completely so the Nvidia driver can take control. First, uninstall Intel drivers through Device Manager or Settings, then boot to safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller, to purge residual files and registry entries. This prevents driver conflicts and ensures a clean switch. After the finishes, reboot into normal Windows. Make sure Windows Update isn't auto-installing generic drivers during this window. Pause updates briefly, if necessary, to avoid reintroducing. Now run the Nvidia installer you downloaded and choose Custom Install with Clean Install checked. This writes the correct driver stack and supporting components. After installation, open Nvidia Control Panel or Windows Graphics Settings and set the Nvidia GPU as the preferred adapter for games and apps. Reboot once more to finalize. If things go wrong, roll back to the restore point, reinstall drivers, and verify BIOS/UEFI GPU settings. Some systems require switching primary display from integrated to discrete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.